I know, man.
All right. What's going on, guys? So I'm on my way to the yard that has the blue truck. So the blue truck is totaled. I made a few posts about it probably about a month ago on Facebook. Insurance company, it was the other guy's fault, first of all. And it was an interesting situation being that I had no seatbelt. So, oh the shit, they go a cop. You know, there's a hands-free law in effect. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, it was pretty interesting, you know, to get into a wreck with no seatbelt. I was going like 65, and the dude ran a stop sign, and I ran straight into him. Sadly, it killed him. And I feel terrible about that, but I was doing the speed limit. He came coming across the intersection, and I hit him. I'm sorry for his family and all that, but he wasn't paying attention. He ran a stop sign, and it is what it is. The truck is completely totaled. It still runs, but nothing in the interior functions at all. You know, I had everything working. Come on, man. I had everything working, and what I was saying, oh yeah, nothing in the interior works. I don't know why, probably some loose connection somewhere, I'm assuming, but the truck does start and run. But I believe one of the wheels will push back, but when I get there, I'll start recording again. It sucks, you know, but like I said, I wanted to do another build anyway properly, because everything basically like fell apart. The whole dash fell, the steering column fell in my lap. It's just a pretty messed up situation. But yeah, I'll record when I get there. Oh, and another thing, I have like a whole bunch of random footage, like when I was just recording, trying to come up with content, but I didn't feel like it was enough. But if you guys want me to post that content, just leave it in the comments, and you know, I'll make a video, like a collage of all the other videos I made of the truck. It's really hard to answer questions and pinpoint on certain things. Like, I was building in the moment. I didn't think that would be something really popular. So I was putting together in the moment, and some things I'm not proud of, like some of the wiring jobs. The truck is pretty much in pieces, so you guys are going to be able to see some stuff. I mean, I don't think I could just sit there and take it apart because I don't got no tools, but it is in pieces, like real bad. So like I said, I'll get back with you guys when I get there. All right, I'm here. Yeah, I know, trust me. Yeah, this thing is gone. The front wheel is pushed back. I'm gonna try to get into the interior. There you go. The motor seems to be fine. I mean, it still runs. There's a door. Lost a mirror. I'm gonna go on the other side and get in the interior. But you see, I got a front bumper on there. You know, the back bumper, a little cap. Really slowly coming along. Let me see if I could get up in here. There's another vehicle parked. Oh, I might not be able to do too much due to not having enough space to get up in there, but so basically, oh, so it looks like whoever was fucking with it moved the steering column back up because it actually fell. I guess they put it back up there to move it around, move the truck around, because the truck actually still drives around. But yeah, got a new windshield. But yeah, the whole dash fell apart. Like it really did. It collapsed. I can't even open the door because it's like against the fender. All the wires like all over the place. But yeah, this shit is fucked. And yep, that's one of the things that kind of fucked everything up. Got new tires too. Oh, 4. So I don't know, new tail lights. Yeah, this thing was pretty awesome. Sucks I took an L like this. But like I said, the motor still works. Yes, this is a Gen 4. I want to say it's an L96. See, I had a bumper on there and everything, man. Project was coming along. I got finally wired up the headlights. I think this is when I hit the median. I don't know what this is. I really don't remember. But yeah, this side looks okay. This side looks pretty mangled. Bad. Windshield is intact. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get back in the truck because it's kind of cold out here. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and build a new one, a diesel version, probably the same body style, and I'll go from there. I've been looking at different bodies, trying to figure out which route I'm gonna go. But I think I'm gonna do the same O2 style. That's my favorite one. Yeah, that's my favorite body style with Silverado, so I'm gonna go for that. Let's check out the progress on the Tahoe. Now the Tahoe, on the other hand, I do have good news. The Tahoe is running. It is running. I got some videos of it running, but I'm not gonna turn it on when I get to the shop because I've turned it on so many times and there's no alternator hooked up, so like the battery died and I have to charge the battery. But I'll get a new video. But I do have videos that I'm attach or something. So, and there's nobody at the shop. The shop is closed. Well, I just got off the phone with the guy that owns the shop. I mean, well, it's all of our shop. We all put in some work, but the actual person that's name is on the shop, I called him to find out what time he's coming, and I don't feel like waiting around because I'm kind of tired. So I'll put that in another video. showing on what the status is on the Tahoe, but it's coming along great. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm sorry about the blue truck, guys. I really am. That seems like the most interesting part about my channel at this point. I receive at least 20 questions about it daily. Well, I used to. Now it kind of died down, but it's been a hard year. 2020 really brought out a lot of bullshit, and it's been hard for everybody. Yes, I got a new truck. I got a Denali. I will be doing something to this. I don't know yet. I'm in between doing an LT4 swap or a Pro Charger. Not sure yet. We're gonna see. I'm sorry, guys, for this long ass wait, to hear something. And I feel terrible because the truck is gone now. Fuck. And the reason why it was so hard for me to put together a video on how I did it is because everything was pretty much slapped together. A lot of things was zip tied, and everything was put together quick so I could get it up and running and see where it go. It was like a work in progress. I wanted to figure out brackets, but now that I got an idea on really how to do it, what not to waste time on and shit like that, I could really put it together. If I could find some of the schematics I used on the computer, I got some shit saved on my computer and my iPad, and links I use to get the schematics and the volt references and all that. But yeah, I'm trying to, I was trying to figure that out, but it was really hard too. But when I do the new diesel build, I'm gonna make sure I cover all the bases, record every little thing about it, everything about the build, every question you guys ever had, I'm gonna cover it. And for the people that want this done to their truck, I'm not really trying to take customers until I have it perfected, due to liability reasons. I don't want no shit catching on fire. I don't want people to keep coming back, because I did have little quirks and little issues on certain things, like the traction control system and StabiliTrak, and what else was it? Some other shit. It's a few little things. It was small things that was pissing me off. And the windshield wipers. The windshield wipers was definitely pissing me off. Yeah, the windshield wiper. But the thing about the windshield wiper, there's some type of reference that when you turn them off, it sends voltage to the motors to set them right back down, to reset them. So if I hit this now, it'll automatically go back down in this position. In the blue truck, if I had them on and just turn them off, they stayed where they were at. So I didn't really dial that down. At that point, I just wanted them functional, working. So just in case it rained, I could wipe that shit. But yeah, it was just small little things I had to get together, and I had to figure out the hyper flash and the turn signal, and wire up the tow mirrors, and there's a lot of things. I didn't even get to do the doors. The doors just fucking waste. But I can't. It's possible for me to do it. I know how to do an electric swap on those trucks. It's real simple, like power windows and power locks and shit. It's just a bummer. I mean, I did get paid from the insurance company already. I'm thinking about doing a buyback, because it is a pretty good deal. I just really want the motor, transmission and stuff, the wheels, and some of the components. Oh, and the computer is unlocked, so yeah, I hooked that up to HP Tool. I really want to get everything down packed. I wish I had. See, my video, I wanted to have real content on Tahoe at least, but shop is closed, and I don't want to wait around for a couple hours till we get there, because I'm tired of shit, guys. And I'm definitely gonna post this video today. So it's stupid shit. It's Monday the 23rd, so it should be up today, Monday the 23rd. So I'm gonna go home and edit it and stuff and post it. I gotta insert. Oh, and don't forget to, comment, like, and subscribe and all that shit. And comment if you want me to post like the random clips of the blue truck, just random clips, period, like shit that was going on when I was trying to post videos and something kept coming up. I'm learning how to post these videos, so I don't want to keep rambling on. So yeah, just leave it in the comments. Thank you. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. Go ahead.